सांगोळडा हांगासर परफ्यूम तज्ञ मोनिका गुर्डे हिच्या खुनाचो शोध लावपाक गोय पुलिसांक यश आयला। मूळ पंजाबाचो राजकुमार सिंग हाका गोय पुलिसांनी बेंगलोराक अटक केल्या। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
As you all know, on 7th October, on the complaint of one Bharat Ramamurthan, a case of murder was registered in the area of PS Saligaon. The information was that he gave the information that some unknown person has committed murder of his wife, who used to stay in Jasmine Complex, Sapna Raj Valley, Sangolda. So the police visited the crime scene and keeping in view the background of the deceased, as she was a perfume specialist and a known socialite, so we were working on different theories. So I will not repeat the facts that you already know. What you have already know, I am not saying, I am not repeating. So we had formed different theories. We were working on different angles because she was very socially active and doing well in her business and living in a very posh area, you know. So based on this background and based on the fact that the crime scene was more or less intact, you know, nothing was missing apparently. So we formed different theories, different angles, you know, and to investigate into different aspects, we formed multiple teams in the district. Most probably the crime had taken place in the intervening
night of
5th and 6th, somewhere between 5th and 6th. So when actually it had happened, just wait till tomorrow evening. Once we interrogate him thoroughly, we will arrest him. There is sufficient evidence against him. He has confessed also.
We can arrest. We can say
arrest.
Arrested.
Yes. Yeah, he has confessed the crime.
Arrested.
He has confessed to the commission of the crime. How, why, you know, that. So we thought initially that since she was a socialite and you know, in a high-profile profession, perfume specialist, and moving around, having lots of friends, so perhaps and since the entry looked friendly, so we thought that maybe someone very close to her would have got the access and then committed the crime. His name is Rajkumar Singh. He is from Bathinda, Punjab.
What is age?
His age is quite young.
Around 21.
Around 20?
21.
around 21. Yeah, he has confessed, but how he did, why he did, you know, all these questions we will be able to answer by tomorrow evening.